Hello, I'm Jay from Volunteer Audio. Today I'm making a video sharing another industry first from Soundstream Reserve. There's actually a new feature been added to the SGV2 using that iDataLink Maestro module, and it's retention of factory boom amplifiers on those older bikes. No other aftermarket radio has ever been able to do this before. Watch the rest of the video as I go into greater detail about what they've added and what this means if you have a CVO or one of those boom amps in your bike. All right, so before today, if you called in and talked to our tech team or our sales team and you had a CVO and you wanted to know, is the new radios from Soundstream, are they plug and play to my bike? You would have been asked a bunch of questions. You'd have had to go find out what amplifier is in your bike. If it was an MTX branded factory amp, it would have worked plug and play as it was. But there's one particular amp, the Harman branded amplifier made by Harman Kardon, that was a digital turn on and there was no way to keep it. So you'd have to bypass it, buy new speakers, buy new amps. And really, the bikes are old enough now, you probably need to do an upgrade in most cases. But now we don't have to go through all that. If you want to do this in steps or stages and you want to buy a new Soundstream Reserve radio without having to do a full upgrade, the SGV2 with an iDataLink Maestro module now retains that digital amplifier. That amp would normally be on a CVO model like this one, mounted underneath the rear tour pack, running 4 speakers. Some cases it's also in the fairing. So if you have an amp that says Harman Kardon or MTX and you have a Street Glide, an Ultra, or an Electric Glide, the SGV2 is going to keep that amp working on 2009 and newer models. So this is something new. We'll update our website. I wanted to show you. Let's turn on the radio and show it in action. So all the factory radios would have been like this and they would have been made by Harman Kardon. We can now pull that out and drop this radio in place. And I'll cue up some music here from Epidemic Sound and show you that now it's keeping those amps working. As you see, we're playing. All right, so what's awesome is it works. It works well. There's no distortion beyond some of these speakers. This one actually has some busted tweeters before we started. If you have a great sounding system now, you can now upgrade your radio and keep it going. Keep it sounding amazing. And with the EQ and the filter ability, you can make it sound even better. Great job, guys, at Soundstream Reserve. SGV2, that's the part number. None of the other radios will do it. It has to be iDataLink Maestro compatible. This is the only radio with that capability for those 98 to 13 bikes. And you're only going to have data for that new amplifier on 09 and newer. I'm not sure if they're going to get it to work on the older 08 and older versions or not. But for now, 2009 to 2013 with a Harman amp, you're going to be able to retain that amp on that CVO and get the latest technology put in your bike. Thanks for watching Volunteer Audio. As always, God bless.